Top Best Mini Gaming PCs in 2025 for Ultimate Portable Gaming. Gaming has always been synonymous with high performance and often bulky setups. But in 2025, the rise of mini gaming PCs is changing the game completely. These compact powerhouses deliver desktop-level performance in pocket-sized or small form factors, making portable and flexible gaming more accessible than ever. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who craves the freedom to game anywhere, mini gaming PCs pack incredible specs without sacrificing portability. This guide dives into the top best mini gaming PCs of 2025, offering something for every budget and gaming style. From blazing fast processors and GPUs to innovative cooling solutions and sleek designs, these mini PCs prove that size really doesn't matter when it comes to gaming. Powered at number 10. Intel NUC 13 Extreme. The pocket powerhouse, the Intel NUC 13 Extreme, combines compactness and power in a way that has impressed gamers and creators alike. Despite its small footprint, smaller than many gaming consoles, the NUC 13 Extreme packs a punch with its latest Intel Core i7 or i9 processors and support for NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs. This combination means you can enjoy AAA titles at high frame rates and 1440p or even 4K resolution without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the Intel NUC 13 Extreme is its modular design. Unlike other mini PCs that force you to buy a fully assembled unit, the NUC Extreme allows users to swap out components such as the GPU, RAM, and storage, giving you future-proofing and customization options often unavailable in this form factor. This flexibility is critical for gamers who want to upgrade incrementally. Thermal management is another triumph. Intel's innovation in cooling technology keeps the system running quietly, even under heavy loads, which is a rarity in compact PCs. The NUC's smart cooling design includes vapor chamber cooling and optimized airflow, maintaining peak performance during marathon gaming sessions. Connectivity is also impressive. The system offers Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, and Ethernet, ensuring you have the fastest and most stable connections for online gaming or streaming. The Intel NUC 13 Extreme is an excellent choice for gamers seeking raw power in a tiny package, making it a top contender among mini gaming PCs in 2025. At number 9. ASUS ROG Strix GA15 Mini. Compact beast for high-end gaming. ASUS ROG has long been synonymous with gaming excellence, and the ROG Strix GA15 Mini lives up to that legacy. This mini gaming PC balances size and power, fitting advanced gaming hardware into a chassis that's easy to carry around or tuck discreetly into your gaming setup. Powered by AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and equipped with NVIDIA RTX 4070 or 4080 GPUs, the GA15 Mini delivers outstanding frame rates in the latest AAA games. Its architecture is optimized for thermal efficiency, combining a high-performance liquid cooling system with intelligent fan controls to keep the unit cool and quiet. The ROG Strix GA15 Mini stands out with its aggressive, gamer-focused design featuring customizable RGB lighting and a sleek, angular chassis that screams gaming without taking up too much desk space. Internally, the unit supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and multiple M.2 NVMe SSDs, ensuring rapid load times and smooth multitasking. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including USB 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, providing multiple ways to connect peripherals, monitors, and headsets. For gamers who want a balance between portability and raw graphical power, the ASUS ROG Strix GA15 Mini offers a compelling package that doesn't compromise on performance or aesthetics. Number 8. Corsair One i300. Silent powerhouse in a compact form. The Corsair One i300 redefines what mini gaming PCs can do by blending incredible power with whisper-quiet operation, making it a favorite for gamers who demand performance without noise distractions. This compact beast packs Intel's 13th Gen Core i9 processors and NVIDIA's RTX 4090 GPU, delivering desktop-level power in a sleek 12-liter chassis. Despite packing such high-end components, Corsair's engineering ensures efficient cooling using a custom liquid cooling loop that keeps temperatures low and fans barely audible, even under intense gaming loads. What sets the Corsair One i300 apart in the crowded mini PC market is its unique design philosophy that focuses on noise reduction without sacrificing performance. Gamers can expect ultra-smooth gameplay on demanding titles at 4K resolution and high refresh rates, all without the annoying fan wear that typically accompanies high-powered rigs. The Corsair One i300 also impresses with its expandability for such a small machine. It supports dual NVMe SSDs, up to 64GB DDR5 RAM, and offers a rich selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, multiple USB-C and USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort, allowing easy connection to high-end peripherals and multiple monitors. Furthermore, its compact size means it fits comfortably in tight spaces, under a desk, or in a living room entertainment center, making it perfect for gamers who want power without a bulky footprint. With a focus on silent yet extreme performance, the Corsair One i300 is a prime example of how mini gaming PCs can compete toe-to-toe with full-sized gaming towers, delivering the ultimate portable gaming experience in 2025. 7. MSI MEG Trident X. Sleek design meets gaming muscle. The MSI MEG Trident X is a standout in the mini gaming PC category due to its sleek, console-like design paired with serious gaming horsepower. At just 4.7 liters, this compact PC is easy to transport or place discreetly in your setup, while delivering flagship performance with Intel's latest Core i9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics. At MSI engineered the Trident X with a focus on both aesthetics and functionality. Its brushed aluminum case exudes premium build quality, while its carefully designed airflow system ensures efficient cooling during extended gaming sessions. Unlike many small PCs, it maintains cool temperatures without loud fans, striking an ideal balance between power and silence. Performance-wise, the Trident X excels at running AAA titles on ultra settings and supports 1440p or 4K gaming with high frame rates. It supports up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM and offers dual M.2 slots for ultra-fast storage, ensuring that games load quickly and multitasking remains smooth. Connectivity is robust, with USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6E, and Ethernet ports to keep you connected to all your gaming accessories and peripherals. Its compact size and stylish design make it perfect for gamers who want a powerful rig that looks as good as it performs. The MSI MEG Trident X proves that you don't need a bulky tower to experience premium gaming performance, making it a top choice among mini gaming PCs in 2025. 6. Alienware Aurora R16 Mini. Gaming legacy in a compact package. The Alienware Aurora R16 Mini combines Alienware's iconic design and gaming heritage with a size suitable for tight desks and portable setups. This compact powerhouse packs Intel's 13th Gen Core i7 or i9 CPUs and NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti or 4080 GPUs, delivering high-end performance that satisfies even the most demanding gamers. Alienware has traditionally been associated with large, flashy gaming rigs, but the Aurora R16 Mini proves that you can shrink that experience without losing power or style. The chassis features customizable RGB lighting and a premium metal finish, giving it a sleek, futuristic appearance. Thermal management in the Aurora R16 Mini uses advanced airflow engineering and liquid cooling solutions, ensuring that the system runs cool and quiet, even during marathon gaming or streaming sessions. Its internal layout is designed for efficient heat dissipation despite the small form factor. Storage and memory options are generous, with up to 64GB DDR5 RAM and multiple NVMe SSD slots for lightning-fast game loads and seamless multitasking. Ports include USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and Ethernet, catering to various peripherals and displays. The Alienware Aurora R16 Mini's balance of performance, design, and portability makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want a compact PC with a trusted brand behind it. Its reputation and power make it a top contender for mini gaming PC enthusiasts in 2025. 5. Razer Tomahawk N1. Modular mini PC for gaming and beyond. The Razer Tomahawk N1 brings a new level of modularity and portability to the mini gaming PC market. Designed for gamers who value customization, this compact PC uses Razer's innovative interlocking design that allows easy component swaps without tools, making upgrades fast and hassle-free. Under the hood, the Tomahawk N1 offers AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and supports GPUs up to NVIDIA RTX 4080, providing top-tier gaming performance in a tiny chassis. Its smart thermal design incorporates vapor chamber cooling and high-efficiency fans, keeping temperatures optimal for smooth gameplay without loud noise. The modular case design is the highlight here. Users can quickly upgrade RAM, storage, or GPU, which is rare in mini PCs that typically force buyers into fixed configurations. This means the Tomahawk N1 stays relevant for longer, protecting your investment. Connectivity includes multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6E, and a 2.5G Ethernet port, ensuring you can hook up all your gaming peripherals easily. With its stylish matte black finish and customizable RGB lighting, the Tomahawk N1 also fits perfectly on any gaming desk or entertainment center. It's a superb choice for gamers who want both power and flexibility from a portable machine. Number 4. Zotac Magnus One Evo. Compact powerhouse for high FPS gaming. The Zotac Magnus One Evo is a mini gaming PC designed to push FPS to the limit in the smallest possible footprint. Featuring AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors and NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics, it's built for competitive gamers who demand high frame rates and ultra-low latency in games like Valorant, CS, Go, and Call of Duty. Despite its 6-liter size, the Magnus One Evo boasts an advanced cooling system with multiple heat pipes and a dual-fan setup, ensuring the system stays cool during intense sessions. The case is made from robust aluminum, providing durability while aiding heat dissipation. Memory and storage are plentiful, supporting up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and dual M.2 NVMe SSDs, which deliver rapid game load times and smooth multitasking. The device supports up to 4 displays via DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, ideal for streamers or multitasking gamers. Zotac also excels in connectivity, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, USB-A, and Ethernet ports that keep you connected to your gaming ecosystem seamlessly. The Magnus One Evo's compact size combined with its powerhouse internals makes it a great option for gamers seeking a no-compromise PC that can be easily transported or tucked away without sacrificing performance. Number 3. HP. Omen 45L Mini. Big power in a small form factor. The HP Omen 45L Mini is a compact iteration of HP's popular Omen series, designed to deliver flagship desktop gaming performance in a fraction of the space. This mini gaming PC features the latest Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 4080 or AMD RX 7900 XT graphics. Capable of handling any game at ultra settings, the HP's Omen series is known for its robust thermal design, and the 45L Mini doesn't disappoint. It features an advanced liquid cooling system and intelligently placed fans that maximize airflow and reduce noise, even during extended gaming or streaming. The system supports up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and fast SSD storage, ensuring quick game launches and lag-free multitasking. Its I/O includes USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and a 2.5G Ethernet port, catering to the needs of modern gamers. The Omen 45L Mini also includes customizable RGB lighting, a sleek design, and a user-friendly toolless access panel for easy upgrades if you want desktop-level power in a mini form factor. The HP Omen 45L Mini is a reliable, powerful choice for gamers seeking premium performance in 2025. Number 2. Gigabyte AORUS Model X. Gaming performance with extreme portability. The Gigabyte AORUS Model X is a compact yet powerful mini gaming PC that pushes the boundaries of portability without compromising on performance. It features AMD Ryzen 7000 processors and NVIDIA RTX 4080 or 4090 GPUs, delivering stunning visuals and high frame rates in the smallest chassis possible. This 5-liter powerhouse integrates a sophisticated cooling system combining vapor chamber and liquid cooling to manage heat efficiently. It also boasts a sleek aluminum chassis with customizable RGB lighting, giving it a premium look and feel. The Model X supports up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and multiple NVMe SSD slots, ensuring that gamers can enjoy rapid load times and ample storage for large game libraries. Connectivity options are plentiful, including Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, DisplayPort, and HDMI 2.1. Its small footprint allows for effortless portability and easy placement in tight spaces. Gamers who want desktop-grade performance with the ability to take their system anywhere will find the Gigabyte AORUS Model X an excellent choice in 2025. Number 1. Alienware X14 R2 Ultimate Portable Gaming Experience topping the list. The Alienware X14 R2 is the pinnacle of portable gaming PCs in 2025. Though technically a high-performance gaming laptop, its ultra-slim design and desktop-class internals make it the ultimate choice for gamers who want powerful gaming on the go without sacrificing performance. Equipped with Intel's 13th Gen Core i9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 4080 GPU, the X14 R2 handles demanding AAA games at high settings and smooth frame rates. Its advanced cooling technology, including vapor chamber and vapor flow systems, keeps temperatures down while maintaining quiet operation. The laptop's 14-inch form factor packs up to 32 GB DDR5 RAM and fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. Its display supports high refresh rates, up to 165 Hz, with G-Sync, ensuring smooth visuals to Alienware's premium build quality. Customizable RGB lighting and advanced software suite for gaming optimizations make the X14 R2 a favorite among serious gamers who need power and portability. While not a traditional mini PC, its combination of desktop-level performance and laptop portability earns it the #1 spot for ultimate portable gaming in 2025. As we've explored, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for mini gaming PCs, with options that combine incredible power, portability, and sleek design. From compact desktops boasting desktop-grade GPUs and CPUs to modular systems that let you customize on the fly, there's a mini gaming PC to suit every type of gamer and budget. These machines break the old stereotypes of bulky, immobile rigs by delivering top-tier performance in remarkably small packages.